So I just thought I'd make a quick video on how to microwave manga, because nobody tells you have to do it in short bursts of time. Chuck it in there, center possible. Now, hold on, let me just do this. Usually do about 15 seconds at a time. Just flip it around. I like to just open it up, give it a quick stretch just so it knows it's about to get ripped apart. Keep going. You'll see the pages start to start to curl up on their own. Just 30 seconds, just give it another quick tear. Look, you'll feel the book starting to get hot. Oh, there we go. Look, even that, 30 seconds, boom. Whee! And then you can just peel them off as you need to.